What is asthma? Asthma attack or flare-up occurs when the airways in the lungs narrow and become inflamed, making it difficult to breathe. This is caused by a combination of muscle tightening, swelling, and increased mucus production. Asthma is a chronic long-term lung disease that affects the airways, the tubes that carry air in and out of the lungs. The main causes of asthma is airborne allergens such as pollen, dust mite, mold spores, pet dander, or of cockroach waste, respiratory infection, physical activity, cold air, air pollutants, and irritants. And a number of factors are thought to increase your chances of developing asthma, such as having a blood relative with asthma, such as parent or sibling, allergic condition, such as atopic dermatitis, being overweight, a smoker, exposure to secondhand smoke, exposure to exhaust fumes or other types of pollution. Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm here to show you the signs and symptoms of an asthma attack. Number 1, persistent cough during at night. Number 2, wheezing when exhaling and inhaling. Number 3, chest tightness. Number 4, difficulty in breathing. And that's the signs and symptoms of an asthma attack. Asthma cannot be cured, but there are several treatments available. Like the most common is inhaler, which delivers medication directly to the lungs. And the other one is nebulizer. It's a small machine that turns liquid medicine into a mist that can be easily inhaled. By using these two treatments focuses on controlling symptoms and preventing attacks through a combination of medication, identifying and avoiding of triggers, and developing a personal asthma action plan. Maybe you're thinking, how can you prevent an asthma attack? If your healthcare provider says you have asthma, you'll need to figure out what triggers an attack. Avoiding the triggers can help you avoid an attack. You can prevent yourself from getting asthma. What is the impact on individuals and society? Well, the asthmatic patients often use emergency care, sometimes requiring hospital admission, and have a high number of school days missed and work days lost. In addition, it can cause early permanent disability and premature death. The economic burden of asthma is an important measure of its effect on society. But do you know, even if you have an asthma, you can still live a very productive life and participate in sports and other activities. Your healthcare provider can help you manage symptoms, learn your triggers, and prevent or manage attacks. But did you know in Canada, over 3.8 million people have asthma? And it's believed that allergic asthma or asthma triggered by allergen is the most common form of this lung condition, even among adults. Yet a recent Asthma Canada survey found that 3 out of 4 of those with asthma reported having some form of health-related anxiety. This, they say, is because symptoms like coughing, wheezing, excess mucus, and difficulty breathing, shortness of breath, can force sufferers to limit their activities, which can lead to stress and isolation. Wheezing. Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm here to show you the signs and symptoms of an asthma attack. Number 1, coughing. Number 2, wheezing. Walang wheeze. Number 3, tightness of chest. Oh, I cannot breathe.